In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on CoinGecko account. If you monitor crypto prices regularly, setting the right currency makes everything easier to read and compare. Let's walk through the quick process so your charts, market caps, and price listings show in the money you use every day. First, open your browser and head to CoinGecko.com. Any modern browser on desktop or mobile works fine. When the homepage loads, you'll see live prices and market data for thousands of coins. This setting works whether you're browsing casually or signed into your account. The goal is simply to tell CoinGecko which currency to use for display. Next, look for the settings icon. It's the small gear symbol, typically in the top right of the site. That gear is where CoinGecko keeps your personal display preferences. Click it to open a compact settings panel. This panel is designed to be quick to use so you can change how information appears without leaving the page you're on. Inside that panel, choose the currency option. This section controls the unit CoinGecko uses to convert and present values across the site. It doesn't change the underlying market data, but it does determine how numbers are displayed, which is especially helpful if you're comparing coins against your local currency or tracking a portfolio. Now, select your preferred currency from the list. You'll see popular choices like USD, EUR, GBP, and many regional currencies as well. Click the one you want, and your selection applies immediately. From this point on, prices, market caps, trading volumes, and other value-based figures will appear in the currency you chose. This makes it much easier to gauge real-world value at a glance, align with your budget, and compare crypto movements to familiar benchmarks. A couple of quick tips to keep things consistent. Pick the currency you use most often for spending or accounting so you don't have to mentally convert when reviewing markets. If you monitor international sources or exchanges, remember that displayed numbers may differ slightly due to conversion timing and rounding, even though the underlying asset prices are the same. And if you use multiple devices or browsers, the preference may be stored per device unless your account syncs it, so you might want to repeat the change on each one for a uniform experience. That's all there is to it. Open CoinGecko, click the settings gear, choose currency, then select the one you prefer. With that small change, your entire CoinGecko experience becomes clearer, more intuitive, and tailored to how you think about value.